Today's Bible verse coming from Galatians chapter 5, verse 16, King James Version. This I say then, walk in the Spirit, and ye shall not fulfill the lust of the flesh. Galatians 5:16 says, But I say, walk by the Spirit, and you will not gratify the desires of the flesh. This verse encourages Christians to live a life of self-sacrifice and submission to God's will. Here's an explanation of this verse. Number 1, live in the Spirit. Christians should live a spiritual life, not a carnal one. This means living in accordance with God's will and not relying on their own strength. Number 2, walk by the Spirit. This is a daily commitment that involves depending on the Spirit, responding to His promptings, and bearing the fruit of the Spirit. Number 3, don't gratify the desires of the flesh. Christians should not serve their own selfish desires or try to serve others in love of their own. Number 4, live under grace. Christians should live under grace, not under law. Number 5, submit to God's will. Christians should be willing to submit to God's will and authority in every situation. Here's some ways to walk in the Spirit. Include number 1, reading the Bible. Number 2, memorizing the Bible. Number 3, meditating. Number 4, praying. Number 5, attending to church. And number 6, serving others. Amen.